What is up, YouTube? Hope you're having a wonderful day. This is the second trade of the day. So let's explain this. So on the 1 hour, it is bullish. I'm not going to go to it. Yeah, so we're looking for lows to get swept. 15 minute, which is our other high time frame that we were trading based off of. Price, let me get rid of all of this. Price had a low and made a low here, and price continued up. So I was looking for this low to get swept. This low did get swept through here, and this caused a lot of orders to get filled. So I then scaled down to the 1 minute time frame. The low was here, I believe. This is the low. So, yep, this was the low that got swept, and then price came all the way down here, then gave us a break of structure. Here, price created a high, was the highest point of these two candles. Price made a high, then a low. This was the high. Then price broke it with this candle here. Okay, so this is our order block, the move down that caused the move up. That is our order block, and the move up prior to the move down is this green candle, which is our breaker block. So I then made this box that was our breaker block and order block. Also, price had made a fair value gap here, so this is this box. And I also made equilibrium here, starting from this low to this high here. So price then came down into this fair value gap and showed bullish pressure coming out of it. I then entered based off of that. I could have waited for price to create this high, and then with this candlestick, it filled uh, this fair value gap a little bit more, and also entered into this equilibrium. It then showed bullish pressure, and that's whenever price moved. This was my first take profit. This is not where I closed my trade at, but this is where I was supposed to take profit at originally, but I was a little too late, and price was like down here. Whenever I was supposed to close like 33% of my trade, so I did not end up closing. So I ended up holding on, and price is here currently. And news, it was only medium news, but I still am not comfortable trading during news at all. Or not, I don't care about low impact news, but medium to high news. I'm not comfortable trading that because I lost one trade previously because I was trading during high impact news. Um, yeah, I closed my trade. I was planning on closing my trade around 9:59, and I closed 50% of my trade. But I'm trading such a low lot size right now where it doesn't really matter to me uh, what happens, but I'm pretty sure it obviously does matter. I want to have a good trade, right? But price swept and price is very bullish at the moment. I'm pretty sure price is going to continue higher, and I'm willing to take that risk. I was risking a little amount, so I was okay with just holding on. And I know how news is; it's very volatile. So I was willing to risk the low amount of money that I was risking. So I didn't realize that I didn't move my take profit. So what do you know? My take profit was at 53.100, which is exactly where price had hit at. So um, I'm tempted to get back in this trade, but I'm not. Um, but yeah, I had my take profit here, and it closed me out of the trade. I forgot, but yeah, I originally closed 50% here, and I was just going to let it ride for a long time. Um, But yeah, I'll see if I take any more trades today, and I'll definitely make some more trade recaps. But yep, one loss for the day, and the second trade was a winner. So, um, what did I do good? I followed my bias, and I used a liquidity sweep. The last trade that I did, I feel like I was chasing. Uh, I traded later. I should have waited. I should have waited more. Um, yeah, so I will trade with liquidity sweeps more in the future because that's what I am good at.